In this video, we're going to show you how you can change the lock screen name in Windows 11. If you do find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. Now, there might be plenty of reasons why you might want to change your lock screen name. Maybe you just don't like your current one, or it's something deeper than that. Here's exactly how you can do it. Begin by actually pressing on the Windows key on your keyboard or clicking the Start menu at the bottom of your screen. Your current lock screen name, which is going to be that account name, will actually appear in the bottom left corner right here. Simply go ahead and click on the search bar up at the very top and type in Control Panel just like so, and then click on this to open it up. In the Control Panel, you're going to want to go ahead and find this user account setting and go ahead and click on it just like so. Once again, find user accounts and click on it again, and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. You're going to want to go ahead and click on this option that says make changes to my account and PC settings. In this section, you're going to see an option that says change your account name. Just go ahead and simply click on this. Now, I don't have that option because I only do have one account on my PC, but if that's the case for you, leave a comment and I can help you out there. But essentially, click on the option that does say change your account name, enter in the new name that you'd like to use. For example, I could do just Boz, and then click change name to save your changes. After that, when you log out and log back in, your updated name is going to now appear on the lock screen. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Once again, if you don't have this option, feel free to leave a comment and I can assist you further. But of course, make sure you like and subscribe before leaving this video. Have a great day.